Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can I can understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Alright, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so I go through to your profiles and it was stated that this is not your first time working abroad, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose Malaysia, ma'am, because I don't have experience there, and near in Philippines, and same time, and also I don't hear any bad about Malaysia. So I
Sure.
yes, ma'am.
Alright, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Ginaline A. Catapia. I'm married. I'm 41 years old. My husband name is Marlon Catapia, 46 years old. I have one son, Kendrick Clark Catapia. I'm married. I'm Christian, and I'm a high school graduate.
Alright, I need to know some few more details from you first. What is your husband occupation?
Farmer mom.
How old is your child?
19 years old mom.
When is your birthday?
January 3, 1985 mom.
What is your height and your weight?
Um, 157 and 57 kilos ma'am.
157 and 57 kg. Alright, so is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes ma'am.
We don't have any problem later.
No ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here?
My mother ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Mother of my husband ma'am.
Okay,
I don't
how old is your in-law?
50s.
What is her occupation?
Uh, House only ma'am.
All right. What about your father?
Father driver ma'am.
How old is he?
65.
Okay. So how many brother and sister do you have?
Um my brother is one, and my sister are two.
What is your rank in your family then?
I'm the eldest ma'am.
You are the eldest. All right. So we go through to your working experience according to your profile. It was stated that you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2015 to 2018 for 3 years, right?
Yes ma'am.
All right. So can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Kuwait?
Cleaning the house, taking care of children, mapping, ironing, and marketing.
You do laundry and cooking.
Yes, ma'am. Cooking also.
Okay. How many children inside the house?
Three children. 7 years old, 8 years old boy, twins, 3 years old boy and girl.
Sorry, seven. Seven
Yes,
years old, 8 years old, and 3 years old.
yes, twins, ma'am.
Twins. The 8 years old is
Three,
twins.
3 years old.
The 3 years old is twins. All right. So total, how many family members inside the house?
Six.
Do you have any companion, or are you the only helper inside the house?
Yes, ma'am. I have two. We have two housemaid, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Finish contract, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why you decided not to renew your contract? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines?
Um, I want to see my son.
All right. After 2018, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am, in Philippines.
What is your working experience?
Housemaid also, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Sampaloc, Manila.
How many years you were there?
I think 3 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finished?
June 2023 to 2025, ma'am.
So what month is it? In
June,
2000 and then until
um, I think, ma'am, December.
December 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
So you worked for 2 years and 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside the house?
Also take care children, cleaning, cleaning the house, cooking, marketing.
Did you do
Ma'am,
laundry and ironing?
yes, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
7 years old.
One only?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it stay in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so working abroad is not that so easy. Mostly you work as a domestic helper and it is very tough one. All right?
Yes.
So you already it is not new for you being an OFW. You got experience already in Kuwait, but I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. I
Yes,
don't want to have such a problem later once we selected you to work here as a domestic helper. All
I will.
right? We need to lift up the quality of being the Filipinos, how the Filipinos work properly. Okay? So, houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. I don't want later that you will going to compare your previous employer in Kuwait and to your presently employer here in Malaysia. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Can
willing,
you
ma'am.
can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so this is a 2 years contract, same what you did to your previous employment in Kuwait. And any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, or if you wanted to give up, you cannot handle your job anymore, you know that you cannot easily go back home, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Breaching of contract also, you know that there will be a consequences. Breaching of contract without any cause, you need to compensate the employer at the same time. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware, ma'am.
Are you aware also that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. This is a strictly no go out policy. Do you agree or are you okay with our rules and regulations?
I agree, ma'am.
If you agree, please work properly. Don't give us trouble. Alright? If you disagree, it's fine also. We don't force people to come here. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child also at the same time. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want. We can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and you need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. No, no problem, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 8 years. So, do you think homesickness won't strike you?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do once your homesickness, or how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I will focus my duties, ma'am, and if I have a time, I will call my family.
I think that's all for now, Janalyn. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much and have a good day.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.